Now we are going to start to make a program via Keil. First we have to launch our Keil software. The icon would be automatically created on your desktop after installation. Once your program is open, you can go to Project, New Microvision Project. Now you have to select the drive where you want to save your program. For now, I am selecting for desktop. You have to give a file name. Make sure before that you have to make a folder. Now you have to give a file name for your project. Now you have to select the IC. The IC make which we are going to select for now is 89C51. That too HTML make. After pressing OK, it will ask to copy standard startup codes. You can check it or not. That's up to you. Now once you have got all this on your screen, you have to go to create a new file. That will display a text window on your project where you have to type your C program. For now, I am going to use a preloaded program from my computer. I am going to simply copy the whole program and paste it onto my project. Once you have done with this, make sure to save your text file, and you have to save it in the same folder where you have your project. Do not forget to name it .c because that's our C file. Once you are done with it, go to source group 1 and double click on it. Select your C file and press add. You will see that your kbd.c has been included in the group 1. Now you have to go to options for target. There you have to do two things. One is go to output and check create hex file. The hex file is the main output file which will be transmitted to our kit via computer, and we have to go to BL51 locate where you have to uncheck use memory layout. Now there are two fields which have to be filled. One is code range, other is code. For code range, you have to fill the starting address and the ending address. The syntax is given below as 0 cross starting address. For my kit, it is 2000 - 0 cross ending address. So I'm giving 2004 FFF. Now the second region to be filled is code. For code, it is 0 cross starting address in the ending before PR main file, and then this part has to be the file name. For now, my file name is kbd, so I'm going to change it to kbd and simply copy and paste it onto my screen. Once you're done with it, you have to press OK. Project, rebuild all target files. If everything goes okay, it will state that in output window that created hex file from KBD, KBD 0 errors and 0 warnings. This means that your file has been successfully created. If you want to view your hex file, you can go to your file and check on to your C file, and you can also check your hex file. Here you can see the starting address is from 2000. Now comes the second part of transferring the data from the computer to the kit. In order to do that, you have to go to Startup menu, All Programs, Accessories, Communication, and then Hyperterminal. Make sure that you have Windows XP or some lower version, because you need a Hyperterminal for transferring the data from computer to your kit. Now you have to select a COM port. If you are using COM2, you have to select COM2. For now, my computer is working on COM1. Next window comes for bits per second. In the manual it is stated that if you are using serial 3 command, then you have to use 4800 baud rate. That can be easily viewed on the software packages index in the manual provided. The flow control has to be set to none. Then press apply and OK. If your kit is not connected, then you have to press call. For now, my kit is automatically connected. Now in order to connect my kit with the PC onto the kit, I have to press reset serial 3 and fill. SER will be displayed on the kit and VMC51 serial communication command will be displayed onto the screen. Now to transfer your program from computer to your kit, you have to press DL. Make sure that DL is in caps lock on, is in capital. Now to transfer the command, you have to press enter once. If you do not press enter, the program will not be transferred from the computer to the kit. You have to go to transfer, send text file, select the source, all files. After few seconds, the program will automatically be transferred from kit. Now we are going to cross-check our program onto the kit. Now to execute the program, we have to press reset, go, we have to give the starting address. The starting address was given as 2000 and then press fill. The E sign denotes that the program has been executed. Now you have to press reset. After that you can press 0. Now the program which was made in the Keil was for every key on the keyboard was assigned a number and the output will be displayed on the FND. Now you can see the program is running successfully.